Money, 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 Monday. Monday. Money, 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 Monday. Hello, world. My name is Timolin Langin, and I am excited to be coming to you from Los Angeles to share tips and time and talk all about money. And these are exciting times because we're here in February, and they tell me that everybody makes financial resolutions at the beginning of the year, and that by now, many of you have already broken them. But that's all right. That's why I'm here, because I truly believe that it's just like going to the gym. When we've got a partner or someone to come alongside us, when we build community, we are more likely to stick to our goals. So my goal is to share financial tips with you that have helped me along the way, and I will give you a little bit about my background a little later. But just to help you along the way, my goal is for working people everywhere to live their life by design and not default. I'm a school teacher. I have taken a school teacher salary and been pretty successful. And I didn't come from money. I was born and raised in the Mississippi Delta. I played in cotton fields as a child when I went to visit my grandmother. On the other side of my family, who also lived in Mississippi, they were sharecroppers and cooks. So I didn't grow up with money, but I grew up around a lot of people who had financial savvy, and they were able to take the little bit that they had and turn it into something really strategic. And so that's why I'm doing this video, is to show working people everywhere how to live their life by design and not default. And it really doesn't matter how much money you have. If you take the money tool, and that is the money that is in your possession, I really believe you can build and create the life you want. After all, that's what we do with tools. We create things, we design things. And so my goal is to come to you every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to share tips on how to build the life you want, how to live the life of your dreams. And it's so funny, I'm a huge fan of women's tennis. And so I love to travel. I have built a real estate portfolio, which is quite impressive for someone like me. And I'm excited to share with working people how to live the life of their dreams. Just to give you an example of what I'm talking about, I went to the Australian Open a few years ago when Serena Williams was pregnant. And I've been a fan of women's tennis forever. And I got to sit on the front row at the Australian Open. And I watched both Venus play and Serena play. And they both won their matches. And I sat in the front row, literally right behind Serena's bench. And I'm going to tell you more about that interaction next week. But